All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Price of Fame DVD unboxing. This is from Engage Media, and it's about the Million Dollar Man. And there you go. So here we go. It also has the Million Dollar Man in it. Ted DiBiase, Shawn Michaels, Roddy Piper, Jake the Snake, Hacksaw Jim Duggan, Terry Funk, Lex Luger, and more. That's pretty cool. Get the fuck in there, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Stupid son of a bitch. There you go. Stupid motherfucker. There we go. Oh, this is also from 2018, by the way. So here we go. And there it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.